In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into MYOB, whether you're a business owner managing your accounts or just need to check some invoice details. Logging into MYOB is your first step to accessing all the functionalities this software has to offer. So, let's get started, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be logging in like a pro. First things first, we need to kick things off by opening your web browser. Now, it doesn't matter which one you prefer, be it Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or even Safari. Any of these will do the job. But for a seamless experience, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the latest security features and bug fixes. Once your browser is open and ready, let's navigate to the MYOB website. You'll want to type in the official URL in the address bar and hit enter. It should bring you right to their homepage, filled with useful tools and resources tailored for your business needs. As the page loads, direct your attention toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In option. Hover over this with your cursor, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this list, click on My Account. This is your gateway to accessing your MYOB dashboard. With that arrow click, you should now be on the sign-in page. Here, it's time to input the email address and password linked to your MYOB account. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password because any typo can lead to login errors. A handy tip is to double-check your keyboard's caps lock, as that can often be an overlooked reason for password mishaps. Now, if you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll have one more step to go. MYOB takes your security seriously, and this extra layer helps protect your account. You'll see a prompt asking you to input a verification code. This code will be sent to your phone or authenticator app, depending on your chosen setup method. Simply input the code where indicated, and just like that, you should gain access to your account. And there you have it. You're now logged into MYOB and ready to start tackling whatever business tasks you have at hand. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial, so consider using a password manager for safely storing these details. If you ever encounter any issues, MYOB's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you logged in with ease. Stay tuned for more tutorials designed to make your digital navigation even simpler.